How do I install Android apps on my Hisense TV without Google Play Store?
Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to install Android apps on a Hisense TV without using the Google Play Store. This can be really handy if you want to use an app that isn't available on the Google Play Store, or if you're having issues with the store itself. Remember, this method involves a few steps, but don't worry, we'll guide you through each one.
What will you need?
Before we start, make sure you have the following things. 1. A Hisense Smart TV which runs on the Android operating system. 2. An Android smartphone or a computer. 3. A USB stick. If you have all these, we're good to go.
Downloading the APK file.
First, we need to download the APK file of the app we want to install on the Hisense TV. APK files are like the .x files for Android. They contain everything needed to install an app. On your Android smartphone or computer, 1. Go to a trusted APK download website. Remember, downloading APKs can involve risks. Always choose trusted sources. 2. Search for the app you want to install on your TV. 3. Download the APK file.
Transferring the APK file to a USB stick.
Next, we need to move the APK file to a USB stick. 1. Connect the USB stick to your smartphone or computer. 2. Copy the APK file to the USB stick. 3. Safely eject the USB stick once the transfer is complete.
Installing the APK file on your Hisense TV.
Now, we can install the APK file on the Hisense TV. 1. Insert the USB stick into a USB port on your Hisense TV. 2. Open the File Manager app on your TV. If you don't have one, you can download it from the built-in App Store. 3. Navigate to the USB stick and find the APK file. 4. Select the APK file and follow the prompts to install the app. 5. Once the installation is complete, you can open the app from your TV's app list. And that's it. You've just learned how to install Android apps on your Hisense TV without the Google Play Store. Remember, always be careful when downloading APK files and only use trusted sources. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy watching!